In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to do a hard factory reset for your ASUS ROG Rapture GT-AX11000 router. You may need to do a reset, as in our case, we have changed our internet service provider. Let's take a look at our previous settings from our mobile phone. We'll go to the wireless settings on our mobile phone. So the previous settings that we had was IM Puma 2G, 5G-1 and 5G-2. So once the factory reset is done, the information will be defaulted to a label that can be found on the bottom of the router, as shown over here. First and foremost, let's turn off the router. Next, we need to press on the WPS button. At the same time, we power on the router and holding on to the WPS button. So we're going to do that in a moment, and we need to show the power LED, as that is part of the reset sequence. So to do a reset, you need to press on the WPS button, press and hold it there, and press on the power button to turn it on. Take note of the power LED. You need to hold on to the WPS for about 10 seconds. Hold on to the WPS button until the power LED turns off. Then release the WPS button. Finally, reboot the router by manually pressing the power button to turn it off and then to turn it on again. The router will restart. Once the router is powered up, let's go to our wireless setting on our mobile phone. And there, you can see the default settings for the router, which is ASUS AO 2G and ASUS AO 5G. You now need to set up the router again with your new internet service provider. So this is how you do a hard factory reset for your ASUS ROG Rapture GT-AX11000 gaming router.